Hello everybody, I wanted to give a quick shout out to BrunoShow124 for pointing out a potential issue with my 1982 GE side-by-side refrigerator. Turns out he was correct and the blades were installed backwards. Let's go out there and look. Now I've already fixed the issue. The cup of the blades was pointing this way. Now they are cupped and pointing the correct way. We're about to do our annual cleaning, so pardon the dust. But much appreciation for pointing that out to me. That is awesome. See, there they are. It's going in the right direction now. Back in service. I believe there's more airflow. It was pretty good before, but I mean, if it's a little bit more, even better, keeping everything cooled and pressures where they need to be.